Hi puppies, and today, well, as you don't know, I made this slime, and I mixed them together because the container was too small. So, let's see what they look like together. Whoa, this looks so cool. Wow, guys. Oh no. This slime looks so cool though. This is so cool. It's not very sticky, but it is sticky. So guys, this video is sponsored by Slime Titles. You should really go to that website. And it's just so cool. But yeah. So this isn't what we're doing in our video, just kidding. This is what we're doing in our video. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is very cool actually. So what we're actually really doing in this video. I don't know. I just really wanted to add stuff to my slime. So as you know, I mixed it together. But let's add stuff to put in my slime. So I don't know what to put in my slime yet. So if you want me to put stuff in my slime, I don't know. Because, well, there's hate comments, so I don't really like to put comments on because I don't like hate comments. So, I just put this keychain in there, and let's see. I'm going to try and make it like a really rich person's slime. So I just put some chains in there. But I'm not saying if you guys are like poor or anything, because like I'm not rich or poor, none of those, but well, I'm just a kid and I have like $1,000, but or all 500, but that's just because of YouTube. So these different colored scents are gonna go so well with the slime. So, do you think I should put all of them in? Or just like 2 or 1? I think, maybe all. Let's do Cotton Candy Splash first. That's the scent, Cotton Candy Splash. So, it comes in these little bottles. And it's at Claire's. So, you can get these at Claire's. They're actually scent lip balm. So, this is what the top looks like. And it has these little ice cubes in it. And then the bottom looks like that. So let's just put the lipstick part in there. So the scent goes in there. Okay. Now we're done with Cotton Candy Splash. Now let's do Bubblegum Blast. This is very cool. This is probably like my favorite. It's called, wait, what is it called again? Bubblegum Blast. So let's just dip that in. put some on. And my second favorite is going to be lemon drop pop, because this is it, and it smells so much like lemons. So good. So let's put the scents in. There we go. And try that. Okay. So now what should we put in? It smells so good now. So let's see. We want it to be like very good. Wait. Oh, I was trying to zoom out. Stop it, camera. The camera's so not working today. Well, my camera on my phone, but I'm using my phone right now. But so, ooh, I know. So since it's a rich slime, I guess I'll add this. I don't know if I said, but I don't know. Looks very cool. Guys, let me just go get it for a second. This. It's like a little chain. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, so I think it's all done. It's been 7 minutes. Yeah, that took me a long time. So this is it. So let's just get it out. Guys, so the chain is like stuck in there, but I'm just, oops, got some on my bed. Okay, slime is doing stuff today. Oh, actually it is. So yeah, if you want to see part 2, then go check out my go then search up adding stuff to my slime part 2, because this is adding stuff to my slime part 1. So on there I'll be like doing it and stuff, and then playing it with it at the end, and then yeah, because well, yeah guys, this is gonna take a long time to get off my hands. So just remember to like and subscribe. I love you guys so much. And bye.